Okay, we're going to look at the 20 mil 100% reinforced and the 13 mil 100% reinforced. They're both sort of this grayish beige on the back. They're both 100% reinforced. Pretty ridiculously tough. The polyethylene woven reinforcement is about as tough a construction as there is in the industry. Both of them have a really nice white coating. Other than the thickness of the roll, it's really hard to tell them apart. This happens to be the 13. This roll comes 12 foot by 100. They're folded to 6 feet. All of our large rolls are folded to 6. So you could roll these out under a house and flip it over, which would give you 12 feet. We prefer this to the string reinforced, and you can see why, because of the increased percentage of reinforcement. I'll do the same thing I did on the 9 mil, just to show you the strength of these. Over the 13 mil, they get a little stiff on the walls, but you got the same strength or increased strength over the 9 mil, but you're not going to puncture these products. So if you have any questions on our ground liners, give us a call. We have the 9, the 13, the 20, and the 36 mil drain mat products. So just give us a ring.